how to buy SWARMS token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before that, go and check Derek's account as you can see. Now keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token is under the Solana network. Now you can use your Phantom wallet for this. Click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here, and after that, just paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, just click on it. And it's simple and easy. Just type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. Here, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure you read all of that information. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to complete the buy process. Now, if you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SWARMS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.